Well, good morning to you, Bear. Now, what are we doing today? We are going to get headers and a XXX pipe installed in my car. Yes, that's right, a XXX pipe. Not sure how it's going to go, actually. We'll see. Kooks headers, Kooks X pipe, Corsa X pipe. I don't think anyone's ever done this before. I've seen one video on YouTube of a 5.0 doing it, but we're doing it on a GT350. We're getting it. What car are we taking there? Well, I have a little surprise for you. It's probably the coolest car that you guys are ever going to see. It's made fairly a lot. We're taking this. Ooh. Best part about this car too, it's a manual. Saving the manuals, boys, as just a 6 would say. It's just a 6. I want to do a collab with you. Hit me up, we're gonna race GT350s. And whose is louder? Find out today. What's up, guys? We are now here at ACI Dynamics. Ooh, there she is. Oh. Ooh. Get ready for that install. So quick little update. All the stock stuff is off the car. Right now we're going to put the headers on. I'm not putting the headers on. He is. Cranking along. Back to the fast forwarded footage. Here we go. One, two, three. I'd say that's a world's first on a GT350.